Hi there, welcome to Data Studio 101. My name is Abhinav and I'm here to help you get started, become really comfortable and start creating cool looking reports, dashboards, visualizations and gain insights from your data using Google's Data Studio. If you're new to the channel, please check out the previous episodes and also check out this online discussion forum that we have set up for you so that you can have meaningful conversations with other learners in the community who are also learning Data Studio using this course. The online discussion forum has been set up to build a sense of community amongst the learners of this course, and hopefully it will help you with enhanced learning outcomes. Research has suggested that you learn better together. So I welcome you to episode 4 of Data Studio 101, where we are going to learn about filtering and sorting. In the previous episode, we saw how we can create a chart and style it. We created a very basic bar chart using the retail store data that we have stored in a Google Sheet. If you want to get to that data, the link to that Google Sheet is in the description box. Please make a copy of it and start creating your reports. Now let's get started with episode 4. So in the previous episode, we stopped after creating this column chart with a reference line, naming the X and Y axis, and also coloring the chart a little differently. I'm hitting the edit button on the top right to go back to the edit mode and start adding filters to this report. Adding filters to a Data Studio report is very simple. You just have to click the Add a Control option and you get a list of different controls that are available. These are all filter controls that you can apply. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to select the simplest filter available, which is a drop-down list. As soon as I hit on that, it again allows me to just drag and drop the widget anywhere I want on the report. And it automatically selects a random dimension, which will allow for filtering. The example that we want to choose is filtering by country. Let's go to the magic panel and see what dimension has been chosen by this filter automatically. The control field is order date, but it's not very helpful because we already have the x-axis which shows us all the order dates. So what we are going to do is replace this order date field with country. I am just dragging and dropping country on the order date control field and the filter changes to start showing country now. If I go back to the view mode, there are various options available for me to choose from. Just as an example, if I select United States of America, I need to type United and it gives me 3 options. Now, if I want to just check United States of America, I have 2 ways of doing it. I either deselect the other 2 options or go the shorter route, which is click on only and it will just select United States of America. And the chart reflects United States of America order volume by date. This is how simple it is to add filters to your report. Adding filters is easy and good, and it also allows your users to get any slice of data that they are looking for. But do you notice something unusual? The dates are still not sorted properly. So let's talk about sorting. To fix sorting on any chart, all you need to do is select the chart, and in the magic panel, there is a section called Sort. Right now, the chart has been sorted by the distinct count of order IDs in the descending manner. Click on the order ID pill or whatever field has been selected in the sort section, and for the purpose of this example, we are going to sort it by order date. We will make it ascending, and you will see that the chart is now showing you dates that are sorted properly from Jan 1st through Jan 10th. So now that the chart has started looking better with sorted dates, with a filter added, let's add one more filter and let's see if we can group different charts with different filters. There could be use cases where you do not want all the charts to get filtered based on the value selected in a particular filter. To demo this, I'm adding another filter, and in this case, I'm going to make the filter control field sales channel, which is offline or online, and create a copy of the bar chart that we added earlier. So now we have 2 filters and 2 bar charts which look exactly the same. Just for the sake of this demo, I'm going to change the bar chart at the bottom to be a pie chart by clicking on the chart, going to the magic panel, the chart selection section, and clicking on pie chart. Right now the pie chart is breaking down the order volume by the order priority. Let me go to the view mode and show what happens when I select sales channel offline. You will see that both the charts are getting affected
based on the value that I'm selecting in the sales channel filter. In order to restrict a chart from not getting filtered, all you have to do is not group it with the filters. So just how you would group different assets in Google Docs, Google Sheets, or Google Slides for that matter, you can do the exact same thing here. To demo that, I'm selecting country, hold shift, select sales channel, and select the pie chart at the bottom. You just hit right click and select group. As soon as you do that, these three widgets are now tied to each other. The bar chart should not get affected if I select any value in the country filter or the sales channel filter. Let's see if it actually works. I'm selecting sales channel offline again. As soon as I hit that, you will see that the bar chart remained unaffected. I'll also try selecting a country and see if the bar chart changes. As soon as I do that, the bar chart remains intact while the pie chart keeps changing values based on whatever values I am selecting in the filter, whether it is country or sales channel. This is the level of interactivity that you can provide to the users of your report. You can group different widgets on your report so that only those widgets get affected that are grouped together. That allows your users to not lose a particular view or a particular chart that they want to keep looking at while gaining insights from all the other charts that are available on your report or dashboard.
Alright, it's time for try this out exercise. For this episode, I want you to try out adding different types of filters and also try playing around with their styles. Just like how you can style different charts, you can also style the filters. You can maybe make their borders dotted or dashed or just change their colors. Try to play around with all the different data control options that you have in the drop-down list. In the next episode, we are going to learn about chart interactions or interactive filtering. That episode will be all about how your actions on one chart affect everything else on the report. Kudos to you if you have watched all the 4 episodes so far and want to continue to learn more. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and support this community who's trying to learn better together.